I promised to show you my 100K garage setup, but to be honest, that was only half the story. While you were watching my garage, I was secretly building a jungle in my backyard. So today, forget the garage tour. I'm showing you the complete system, the HQ versus the factory. Let's start with where it all began. The HQ. This space is what generated over $80,000 in profit last year. Here, everything is about control. The lights, the humidity, I control everything. This environment is perfect for acclimating delicate tissue culture plants and growing high-end variegated plants. It's clean, it's precise, it's basically a laboratory, but it has one fatal flaw: space. So, let me show you my secret. Welcome to the dump site. Honestly, I was ashamed to show you this. This greenhouse was a graveyard for my ugly or reverted plants. But look at this. While I was busy in the garage, nature did its magic. The leaves are massive. The garage makes pretty plants. But the greenhouse, it makes beasts. I realized I was wasting this potential, so I decided to scale up. This is factory number 2. I installed an automated sprinkler system, so no more heavy lifting. Now I can mass produce plants here. It's efficient and it's ready for business. Now the system is complete. Born in the lab, grown in the factory. You might think building a facility like this costs a fortune, but actually, this entire greenhouse kit cost me less than $200. For those asking about the greenhouse kit or the lights I use, I left the full list in the description below. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how I built this budget plant factory. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.